How to simplify slope fractions in algebra. Have you ever wondered how to make slope fractions easier to work with in algebra? Understanding how to simplify slope fractions can really help you when dealing with linear relationships and graphing. Let's break this down step by step. First, remember that slope is often expressed as a fraction, which represents the rise over the run. The rise is the vertical change, while the run is the horizontal change between 2 points on a line. This means you need to identify the numerator, which is the rise, and the denominator, which is the run, of your slope fraction. Next, you will want to find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. The greatest common factor is the largest number that can divide both numbers evenly. This step is important because it helps you simplify the fraction. Once you have identified the greatest common factor, divide both the numerator and the denominator by this number. Doing this will reduce the fraction to its simplest form. For example, if your slope is 6/8, the greatest common factor of 6 and 8 is 2. Dividing both by 2 gives you 3/4, which is the simplified slope. Now, if your denominator simplifies to 1, you can express the slope as a whole number. This makes it even easier to understand and use in equations. Simplifying slope fractions is not just about making things look neat. It helps you interpret linear equations and graphs more clearly. When you simplify, you can easily see how steep the line is. A larger numerator indicates a steeper rise or fall, while the denominator shows how far you move horizontally. In the context of linear functions and graphing, simplifying slope fractions is a necessary step after calculating the slope from 2 points. It ensures that the slope is in the simplest form, which is essential for using slope-intercept from equations, where y equals mx plus b, and for plotting points accurately on a graph. So, the next time you calculate a slope, remember to simplify that fraction. It will help you understand the relationship between the rise and the run without any unnecessary confusion. Simplifying slope fractions is a straightforward process that will make your algebra experience much smoother.